So in terms of the target price changes, this is a really good opportunity for us to go back to first principles, right? And think about the durability of disruption. This is something that my franchise has been known for in terms of calling for the bourbon renaissance, or so does the new cigarette. But, obviously, like with cannabis, you're talking about this massive step change in terms of the addressable market, right? We're bringing a $7 billion illicit market, into the legal market. And so it does require a different valuation framework. And so what we've done is applied an enterprise value to sales multiple and then factored in revenue growth, because we're looking for like a 75% CAGR on Canopy and 100% CAGR on Tilray.
Compound annual growth rate.
Over the next 5 years, which are just astronomical. And so that's what you want to really factor in from a valuation standpoint. As we think ahead in terms of catalysts for the stocks, obviously supply is going to be critical. Sure. One company that we don't cover, Afria, talked about earlier this week, they're going to be short. And that is a concern.
What is the driver in terms of the pickup in supply, and what will be the driver of revenue growth? Will it be more on the recreational side, not just in Canada, but around the world, or will it be more on the medical cannabis side, especially after we saw GW Pharma with its drug, Epidiolex, get rescheduled? So the treatment of cannabis will be different in the eyes of the FDA.
Yeah, so in the near term, it's definitely adult use. While you are seeing the dominoes fall increasingly quickly outside of North America as it relates to medical, it takes time for those markets to onboard. So for instance, Germany, which accounts for about 15% of Canopy's revenues already, is a very, very tight market. And it's increasingly tight because the Canadian LPs are trying to get all the inventory stocked into Canada. So as the adult use market comes online, that's catalyst number one. Catalyst number two down the road is definitely medical internationally.